you're going to see the quests available as well as quest elements. Now, a little bit of backstory. When I was a kiddo, I played this video game called RuneScape. And inside RuneScape, there was a system called quests. Now, these quests allow you to learn a little bit more about the game map, or mechanics inside of the game. And I really like this concept. When I was building out SAM, I realized one of the fundamental flaws of real estate school is that we learn all about the real estate processes, but we don't get a hands-on opportunity to look at how to build our businesses. And then they send us out into the world and we essentially become our own business owners, right? And so I thought to myself, how can I help you as the real estate agents build out your core business infrastructure? That's where quests came along. So each of these quests, there's 9 of them currently as of April at 2024, the very end of April. And inside of these, you have lots of different elements. We'll dive into that in just a little bit, but I wanted to kind of briefly explain where this concept came from because I think it's pretty whimsical.